This right here is my dad's old Walkman that he used and loved, but unfortunately, it has seen its fate. But today, I am going to be opening it up and seeing any physical damage that I can see. And you guys have to tell me, should we get this thing repaired? Today, we are going to open this Sony Walkman DD. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and happy new year. Today we have a Sony Walkman DD. This is a cassette player or a music player from back in the day when there was no iPod. My dad owned this thing in the early 80s. So the story behind this is he used it to listen to music obviously, but once he actually lent this thing to someone, they unfortunately broke it. They couldn't really cover it, or you can say they tried to fix it and it didn't go the right way. If I open this up, you can see right here there is glue marks, and the glue didn't even paste this thing what they intended to do, but they ruined this whole thing. This thing has been sitting, believe it or not, for 4 decades, and I found this while cleaning, and I thought to myself, I can definitely get this thing fixed. But I actually wanted to open this first, see if there is if there is any potential in this thing to be fixed, or is it going to be a full waste of time, and there is no really harm in just opening it up and looking in it. Well, let me just first demonstrate how this thing works, because I bet a lot of people don't really know what this thing is. This is a music player that you used your cassettes, and you used to put it in here and you can listen to your own song. This thing had a provision of two earphones. So what you can do is you can take your earphone with the 3.5 jack and put it here, and you can you know have your friend and someone else also can listen to that song at the same time with the other hole. Well, this is the and here is the volume. This thing goes from 1 till 10. This is surprising. And how this thing works, let me just demonstrate. This is how it opened, but unfortunately it broke. This is how it was. So it went like this, and it was attached, and it only opened this much. It didn't go all the way, it just opened this much. It's not a lot, but it was enough. Well, we can just keep it aside. You take your cassette, pop it out, place it right here. I don't want to break it. Am I doing it wrong? Please don't tell me I'm doing it wrong. I don't want to break anything. Okay, this thing was so this is also a part that has broken, and it was coming in between actually. And even just close this, and the buttons actually work. You can see this thing pops out. This is the play button, this is the stop button, this is fast forward, and this is rewind. That is how it worked. Unfortunately, it doesn't work anymore, but I wanted to open it to see the potential and actually see if I can get it fixed. That's my real motto, and I would love to get this thing fixed and gift it to my dad so he can really enjoy his old songs that he has. He has a big collection that he can listen to. Now we'll take our toolbox and we'll find, wait a second, let me just check. Oh, that is surprising. It should have 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws. I mean, wait, what? It actually doesn't. Let me just keep this aside. And it actually doesn't have, so I don't have to screw off anything. I can simply just pop this off, I guess. Yeah, I can do that. Let me just try. So this thing is a little finicky, and you don't want to damage something when you're opening this. So I'll try my best opening this up without really damaging anything. Okay. Oh yes. Okay, we are in. So this is the cover, and this is the back, which is broken. I really don't know how we are going to fix it. Okay. Obviously, I know this is way out of my expertise, and I can definitely not fix this thing. But I actually wanted to open and see that no parts were missing, because if I just take it to somewhere and they open it up and they are like, it doesn't have this, it doesn't have this, what we are going to fix? So wanted to open it and see. You can see the mechanism still works. This is play and this is stop. Obviously I'm not going to touch this part. What I can really do for now, for this video, I am actually going to keep this part on the side, and you can see this is really dirty. This thing has a really nice like tint to it. It's pinkish tint. It's not really visible on the camera, unfortunately, but I can get this cleaned and it would really look good 10 times actually. And talking about this thing, I'll just keep it aside. So I'll just go and quickly get all of this cleaned, and it would be 2 seconds for you and a lot of scrubbing for me. Just like that, to my maximum ability, I actually got this whole thing, though these two cases cleaned. There are a lot of deep scratches that unfortunately I cannot get rid of. I just got this thing cleaned because it was dusty. Now it is a little bit clean and good to work on, and I am actually going to put this thing back because I really have no business in opening this thing and try to look for some damage, because I just wanted to open this up and look for any missing components and see if there are anything that is missing. Now what I can see and what I can judge is everything is there other than the missing screws. Other than that, everything is there. Now I'm actually going to put this thing back together. Fully soon I will be able to give you guys update on this thing. The major challenge in that would be I have to find someone who can actually work on it and not damage it. Someone who knows what they are doing, not someone like me who knows nothing about this thing. I just opened it to just look, and that's something that I have done. And now I am actually going to put this thing back together. Just like that, this whole thing is back. Obviously it was missing the screws, which is a little unfortunate. We would have to source them. Tell me if you guys would like to see an update on this thing and how this thing works. Should I get this thing fixed, or this is just complete waste? He should just install Spotify and listen to whatever he wants. I just wanted to do this for just its emotional value. Other than that, there is nothing. If you think from a monetary perspective, getting this thing fixed is actually a waste of money and time, but just for the love, I want to get this thing back running, and hopefully we can do it soon. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like. And I have a little bit of history of opening things and putting them, cleaning them and putting them back together. If you want to see that, you can go to the channel, or I'll put those videos in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.